The number of coronavirus cases in India rose to 40 as a 3-year-old from Kerala tested positive today. The child has a travel history from Italy and was screened and isolated at the Kochi airport. The child and their parents, who have now been quarantined, landed in Kochi on a flight from Dubai on March 7 last. One militant was killed in an encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian district, police said today. According to media reports, Kashmir Zone Police said the encounter was underway and security forces were on the job as security forces launched a cordon and search operation in Raban in South Kashmir on receiving information about the presence of militants. The operation turned into an encounter after the militants fired on the search party and gunfight is going on, reports added. The Festival of Colors, Holi or Yausang Festival, has begun today in Manipur with great enthusiasm and fervor. Apart from celebration, the 5-day-long festival in Manipur will witness games and sports, cultural programs and Thabal Chongba across the state. On the joyous occasion of Yausang, Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Heptullah, Chief Minister N. Biren, Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam and other leaders extended warm greetings to the people of the state. Sealing of porous roads along Indo-Myanmar border has begun today as a precautionary measure against COVID-19 threat, sources said. Marking the International Women's Day 2020, Manipuri Students Association Delhi organized an interactive session on different issues of Manipuri women at Arts Faculty, Delhi University. Congress MLA A.K. Mirabai today distributed new guest connection to 309 beneficiaries at a simple function at her residence in Patsoi, Imphal. The event was organized by Patsoi Block Congress Committee under Ujwala Yojana scheme. Laurembam Asapriya of TOMTV backed the first position in the women's 100-meter race at the 10th Annual Journalist Sports Meet 2020 of All Manipur Working Journalist Union AMJU today at Human Lampak, Imphal. Rosimala of ISTV secured the second position, while Victoria RK of Impact TV backed the third position. Besides race, on the first day of the sports meet, events like discus throw and shot put competitions were held. In men's 400-meter race, T.H. Kisan of the Sangai Express backed the first position, M. Kennedy of Media Unified secured the second position, and M. Ojit of TOMTV backed the third position. Defending champion Australia claimed its 5th Women's 2020 Cricket World Cup title after trouncing India by 85 runs in yesterday's final at the Melbourne Cricket Ground with more than 86,000 spectators.